Bone Bridge is a partially implantable hearing system. It's suitable for those with conductive and mixed hearing loss or single-sided deafness. The Bone Bridge hearing implant system consists of an externally worn audio processor and an implant that is surgically positioned under the skin. The audio processor is held directly over the implant by magnetic attraction and can be comfortably worn under the hair. The microphones of the audio processor pick up sound waves. The audio processor converts sound into electrical signals. These signals are transmitted through intact skin to the implant. The implant is fixed in the temporal bone. The signal converter of the implant converts the signals into mechanical vibrations, which are transmitted to the skull. The bone conducts these vibrations to the inner ear. This implant is therefore called a bone conduction implant. Transmitting the signal to the inner ear via bone conduction bypasses the outer and the middle ear. The inner ear processes the mechanical vibrations similar to natural hearing and transmits the acoustic information to the brain. The audio processor, SAMBA 2, offers the latest hearing technology. It adapts to different listening environments and learns individual listening preferences for a simple hearing experience. Bone Bridge is the most advanced active bone conduction system on the market, offering high quality, comfortable, and reliable hearing.